Welcome to Joanne's English channel.
Clara, happy weekend.
You too. I appreciate it. You have a great weekend. As well. My weekend starts from Friday evening. Upon reaching home from work, I have a cup of coffee and take a quick shower and get dressed for the party.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need.
On Saturdays, I get up quite late. After my usual morning routine, I prepare my breakfast. I clean the house, do the laundry, and I go outside to shop and get lunch. After lunch, I go to a public library to read books. I'll be in the library for close to an hour or two. I'll then pick my friends after that. First we'll go to a coffee shop. After that, we're going to a museum or a movie. On Sundays, I typically go to weddings and celebrations. Sunday's evening is all about relaxation and enjoying a good time. That's all there is to my weekend. Thank you and please continue to watch.